In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Classroom, specifically designed as a tutorial for teachers in 2025. As a teacher, Google Classroom serves as a powerful and user-friendly tool to enhance your virtual teaching experience, organize resources, and communicate effectively with students. I'll guide you through the essential steps for getting started. First and foremost, let's dive into signing into Google Classroom. Simply head over to your browser and type in classroom.google.com. It's crucial to log in with your Google account. If you have a G Suite for Education account, that would be your best option as it provides added functionality specifically for educational purposes. Once signed in, you'll be ready to create your very own first class. To do this, locate the plus icon in the upper right corner of the interface. Click on it and you'll see the option to create class. This will open a new window where you can enter a class name, for instance, Grade 5 English. This is the perfect opportunity to personalize the class details further. You can add section, subject, and room information if desired, although these additional fields are optional. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Create to establish your class officially. Now that your class is created, it's time to customize it to suit your teaching needs and preferences. Click on the class you just set up, and you'll be presented with different tabs, each serving a unique purpose. Starting with the Stream tab, this is where you can effectively communicate with your students by posting announcements and messages. Next, transition over to the Classwork tab, a place designed for posting and organizing all your educational materials, assignments, and even quizzes. Meanwhile, the People tab is your gateway to inviting students and co-teachers. This can be done by simply using their emails and sending out invites directly from within the platform. With your class configuration in progress, it's time to post classwork. Navigate to the Classwork tab and click on Create. You have several options at your disposal: assignment for standard student tasks, quiz assignment using Google Forms for assessments, question for fostering discussions, or material for supplemental resources such as documents or videos. When creating assignments, it's important to provide clear instructions and a due date to maintain structure and clarity in expectations. Don't forget that you have the ability to attach necessary files from Google Drive, link to YouTube, or upload files directly to the platform to enrich your resources. Lastly, let's discuss grading and returning work to your students. Head over to Classwork and select View Assignment. This is your dedicated space to review submissions, provide feedback, and assign grades efficiently. And there you have it, a comprehensive introduction to using Google Classroom as a teacher. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating an engaging and organized learning environment for your students. Thanks for watching, and happy teaching.